Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So it has been a year since we posted to our YouTube channel, and I apologize, but we were really busy and actually didn't have much in the way of content. So in the past year, we have moved 5 times and been in 3 different countries. Um, Grant has been in Belize since April, but I actually had to go back to Canada for a while to deal with banking issues and also for a funeral. So you could see in the photo here that there is a lovely pair of glasses that I'm now wearing. So I am wearing my granny's glasses.
You are Mima.
My cousin was nice enough to offer that I could have the frames. So while I was stuck in Canada, I had my prescription put into the glasses and I decided to get transitions so I don't have to try and remember my sunnies now.
Or I don't have to remind you to bring your sunnies.
I know,
Actually.
because
Do you have your sunglasses?
I always forget them. That's why I'm getting all the little squinty lines.
Mm-hmm. Crow's feet.
Yeah.
They're laugh lines. Because I'm so funny. Looking.
All right. And what were you doing while I was in Canada freezing my butt off?
I was commuting to our property from Punta Gorda in the south. We were 2 hours away originally, so it was very difficult to get up here to get any kind of work done consistently. So it was a week here and a week there of a few hours. But I managed to get a company in to clear half the lot for the future house and all the gardening we want to do. And I
Mm-hmm.
got them to put a driveway in, and I got a culvert. Filming was sporadic because it was just sort of hectic to get here and then get things done. So,
Yeah. He was also borrowing a friend's vehicle, and it's safer to drive during daylight just with all the wildlife and the condition of the roads. So that meant he had a very small window to work in each day. And he did do some filming. So I have lots of footage to sort through. But
you're welcome.
thank you. You did an awesome job. We also have no Wi Fi now. So we're close to our property. We're able to get stuff done and we're actually seeing progress now. But we do not have Wi Fi or
Internet.
internet in order to easily share everything with you guys. So we're going to do our best, and that just means that we have to go to a cafe every week or 2 weeks in order to post our
Mm-hmm.
videos.
So you should buy us a coffee
All
since we're
right.
buying coffee.
We did post a short, um, just kind of a silly one of our walk to the property. So soon you will see videos of the property itself and what we've been working on. Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas.
We're joining you today from the porch of our imaginary house.
There it is. I can imagine it.
So happy holidays, everyone, and we'll see you next year. Okay, bye!
Okay, bye.